Hello, hello! Padaan muli sa inyong mga walls. I cook healthy Quaker Oats congee. I have a leftovers salmon, so I put it in my congee, and I put moringa leaves. We call it malunggay in Filipino language, and I put powder moringa as well, dahil po mayroon po dito nagbigay sa Pilipinas. Yung hipag ko binigay niya matagal na, so instead of nandyan lang, ang ginagawa ko ay nilalagay ko sa sa congee, Quaker Oats congee. Instead of rice, I made Quaker Oats. This is healthy eating. It's good for health. According to the experts, they said it's good for losing weight, and for the heart, and everything. So, para hindi po tayo magkasakit, yan ang kainin natin. Thank you, Lord, for the natural foods. Yeah, yan, oh. This is for my lunch and dinner. Yan, I put seaweeds as well. See, yan, oh. And rin to, yung collagen also. So, mukha ka daw maging bata pag kumain ka ng mga ito, mga gulay. Yan. Simple living, simple eating. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. God bless.